My name is Ferruccio Lamborghini. I built my fortune on tractors, the best in the world. Perfection was my promise. That passion for mechanics led me to the finest cars, and in Italy, that meant Ferrari. I loved my Ferraris, but they had a persistent, infuriating flaw: the clutch. It was weak, undersized, and utterly inadequate for the magnificent engine. In my own factory, we easily fixed it with a stronger part from my tractor inventory. A car that expensive shouldn't have such a basic flaw. I went to Maranello to offer my solution to Enzo Ferrari himself. He barely looked at me. The tractor man, he called me, before I could even properly state my case. I explained the issue, manufacturer to manufacturer. His response was cold and final. "Lamborghini," he said, his voice dripping with disdain, "you may know how to drive your tractors, but you will never know how to drive a Ferrari. The problem is not the car. The problem is the driver. Stick to your tractors." The insult didn't just anger me, it ignited something. On that long drive home, my rage cooled into a hard, diamond-sharp ambition. If he wouldn't build a perfect car, then I would. A car without compromise. He had his prancing horse, a symbol of fussy elegance, but I am a bull, stubborn, powerful, and uncompromising. My car would be a raging bull. I poached his best engine designer, Giotto Bizzarini, and hired young geniuses like Dallara and Stanzani. We worked day and night, fueled by a shared desire to show the old man what was possible. We would build a V12 Grand Tourer that was powerful, luxurious, and, unlike his, completely reliable from the start. At the 1963 Turin Auto Show, we unveiled our first creation, the 350 GTV. The world was stunned. The tractor man had answered. Enzo gave me an insult. In return, I gave the world a legend.